and I'm going to be taking you through a warm-up so you can enjoy one of our workouts at home, either our gentle, general or advanced workout. All these workouts can be done at home and you just need a small space and no equipment is needed. So let's get started. Okay, to start the warm-up, we're going to start with some low high knees. So it's keeping your posture tall and just bouncing from one foot to the other. Don't worry about going too high with your high knees at this stage. It's just a warm-up, just to get your heart rate going. Keep your arms relaxed and just keep it as smooth as possible. And just do another 10 seconds of this. Keeping it relaxed. Okay, next we're going to do some hamstring scoops. So you're going to bend one of your other legs and then this leg with your heel into the ground like this and pushing your arms through, like so. This is just a gentle, dynamic stretch in your hamstring. Try and keep this as smooth as possible and keeping it dynamic is to keep your heart rate going. Okay, now we're going to do some arm swings just to warm up your arm and back muscles. So feet just over shoulder width apart like this and just lifting your arm up, reaching right up and back. So as you go up, really try and reach up high, stretching right out. And you try and do 10 backwards and then we do 10 forwards. Change direction. Again, just try and keep it as smooth as possible. Really reaching up, really stretching out. Just 3 more. Okay, the next exercise is another one to warm up your arm and back muscles. You're going to take your left hand and touch your right foot, like so. Now, if this is a little bit difficult, don't worry if you're not touching your toes, and you can slightly bend your knees like this. Just about keeping you moving, keeping a dynamic stretch. Okay, next exercise, we're going to do some squats. So feet just over shoulder width apart and just a gentle squat. Don't worry about going too far, just go whatever is comfortable for you. So try and do 10 of these. And this is just a warm up, so again, don't worry about going too low, just keep it as smooth as possible. Another one for our legs. So we're going to do a reverse lunge with a knee raise. So you can take your right foot, lunge backwards, and bring it up. Now if you find this difficult, don't worry about going into a deep lunge, just reach backwards like this. Try and move your arms as you do this as well, so the whole body is getting warmed up. Keeping the posture tall. Now swap legs. Now we're going to get our heart rate going a bit more by doing some hopping. So you're going to stand on one leg and hop to the other leg. And this is to stabilise your foot, warm up your foot muscles. You also have to really strengthen your glutes and hamstrings as you hop to the other foot. Now if you find this difficult, don't worry about keeping the knees so high. Just have it low and just hop from one side to the other. Try and make it as dynamic as possible, just to get your heart rate elevated. And now we're going to finish off with some more high knees. So again, start low, posture tall, arms relaxed. And now progress these into high knees. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, just keep them low. Keeping it as smooth as possible, bouncing from one foot to the other. So just 10 more seconds. That's good. And you're done. That's it, your warm-up's done. You're now ready for your workout. Now don't forget, there are lots of other resources out there as part of the Be Active Wales campaign to help you maintain a healthy body and mind. So please check them out. Go on the Sport Wales website and check out the social media channels to find out more.